Morning, good afternoon, good evening. Super awesome day today lined up. I am heading to one of the major highlights of Colombia, and that is Playa Tayrona. This national park has like 3 or 4 of the best beaches in all of Colombia, so I am extremely excited. People that are raving about it and saying like it's magic, it's paradise. A lot of mud, a lot of sketch everywhere already. We're not even into it yet. Para pasar a la playa.
Aquí es la llegada de la moto.
Por allá se va.
Aquí caminamos, hacemos la caminata. Nada más.
¿Caminando solo?
Sí.
¿Y qué pasa con la otra entrada? ¿Está cerrado?
Está cerrado.
¿Por qué?
Cerraron los dueños de finca. Los dueños de la finca.
Hay lancha para más, no para arriba.
It's a bit of a nightmare here, so I'm gonna have to go all the way around, almost back to Santa Marta, and then turn around.
Hola amigo.
Bye bye. Just off the highway now. We're on the sandy off-road. It's actually a lot better than the previous road I took.
Muy buena.
¿Cómo estás? Para ir al parque Tayrona. Oh, se puede ir todo con la moto, ¿no?
Sí, claro.
You need to pay $6,000, which is a little over $1, which is basically insurance or something, just in case anything happens in the park. Go check out this Playa Gairaca. Say it's todo un paraíso, total paradise.
Can we talk? Hey you, I think you're distance.
And this is why we came.
And now, I lose my own sight. My love is out of my mind. And you, I'm not more than a dream. So wait, can you even hold me?
I'm not sure it's such a bad idea to come out here after all. There's a piece here that is, oof, pretty amazing. Wow, what an amazing, beautiful beach. And it's so secluded and isolated. There's nothing going on here, nobody here. Aquí vamos. Ahí, gracias. Perfecto.
Mira, Carlito, hola. Ay, bienvenido.
¡Viva Colombia!
¡Viva Colombia! Bienvenido a la playa.
Bueno, ¿cómo se llama esta playa?
Nehuanje es un nombre Tayrona, significa ensenada de aguas claras poco profundas.
¿De dónde eres?
Acá, nativo.
Aquí nativo.
Ah, sí, taironense.
Marionense.
Ah, mira, that's the blue morph butterfly.
That you are more than a dream. Hey you, is this all you wanted? And hey you, we could be more. Hey you, if I'm being honest.
Overall, an amazing day here at Playa Tayrona National Park with the most beautiful beaches in Colombia. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give me a like, leave me a comment, let me know what you think.